Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Chinese New Year's Hello Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet. You can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the left ear. On the top left here, draw a rounded V shape for the ear like this. Now let's draw the shape of the face. From the bottom of the ear, come in slightly to start, and then draw a curved line down. Move over to the right side and do the same thing, but this time start a bit lower so we have room for the bow. Now connect the two lines at the bottom. Next, from the ear, draw a small curved line across for the top of the head. Now let's draw the bow. For this version of the bow, I'm going to draw a flower in the center, so let's start with that. In the center of the gap here, draw a flower by drawing 5 U shapes around like this. Now in the center of the flower, draw a circle. Next, draw smaller circles on each petal. Then connect each circle to the center circle with a straight line. Next, draw a large curve shape from the left side of the flower for the bow. Make sure to fill the space and connect it to the top of the head. Do the same thing on the right side like this. Next, inside each side of the bow, draw a semicircle next to the flower. Now on top of the bow, draw the other ear. Let's draw the eyes now. Draw 2 small oval shapes spaced far apart here. Then color them in black. Now for the nose. In between and just slightly lower than the eyes, draw a sideways oval. Then on either side of the face, draw 3 whiskers. That's it for the head. Let's move on to the body. Under the center of the head, about the same width as the eyes, draw her collar like this. Inside the collar, draw 2 curved lines coming in at a point. Next, let's draw the sides of her dress by drawing diagonal lines down and out on both sides. On the bottom left, draw a short diagonal line in like this. Then, draw a tall upside down V shape coming up for the slit of her dress. Now close off the bottom with a curved line across. Next, let's add details to her dress. From under the center of her collar, draw a curved line down to the left. Now draw 2 small circles here, one above and one below the line. Then connect them with a straight line across. Next, draw 3 small U-shapes coming off each circle like this. Now draw another of the same buttons to the left. Next, I'm going to draw 3 flowers in the bottom right corner of the dress, in the same way we drew the flower on the bow. And that's it for her dress. Let's draw the arms next. From the left, draw a long U shape for her arm. Then draw a curved line near the top for her sleeve. Do the same thing for the right arm. Now let's draw a lantern in her right hand. Across the end of her right arm, draw a curved line. Now under it, draw a rectangle with a rounded bottom. Next, from either side, draw curved lines out. Then connect them at the bottom with a line across. Inside, draw 4 curved lines like this. Now under it, draw another rectangle shape. And then another smaller one under it again. Lastly, for the lantern, draw 4 lines down then close off the bottoms with little curves. Now let's draw her feet. Draw 2 rounded square shapes under her dress like this. Then draw curved lines coming to a point on each foot for her shoes. And that's it for this Chinese New Year's version of Hello Kitty. Let's quickly color it in. And done! Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!